Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I am preparing system design round right now. So before preparation I have prepared the study plan, and this is how I have used generative AI to prepare the study plan for this. So first of all, I just have to create all the contents that are related to system design. Like what this is similar to what we have in a book, like there is table of content, right? Similarly, you have a number of topics in the system design, and if you can see here, all these are topics which I will be covering in our system design preparation, right? And it has to be organized. That's why I I have created a branch in such a way that I have a number of problems to do whiteboarding and get a grasp of the concept that is behind that system design topic, right? Let me just walk you through all the topics. First is scalability and performance. Second is data storage. Third is availability and reliability. Fourth is asynchronous and decoupled system. Fifth is real-time communication. This helps in networking. And the last one is big data and stream processing. Okay, so obviously I'll have to go through a number of problems in each of the topic to understand each topic in a better way. So for that I used generative AI, and with the help of generative AI, what I found a 56 days plan. This means it's 8 weeks plan. So now what I'll do, like since now I have 8 weeks plan, so the plan is such that in every week, for the first day I'll go through the concept of the topic, and the next 6 subsequent days what I'll do, I'll whiteboard one problem a day. And some of the day I'll keep a mock interview, like either there will be a one mock interview or there will be whiteboarding, right? So you can go in either way. So the first week is all about scalability and core components. Here you have to look through all the core components, whether it is cache, whether it is rate limit or load balancer, or there is replication, and then the fundamentals of scalability like horizontal scaling, vertical scaling. So all these concepts are required in the first week, and based on this you will be going through a number of problems. During the problem solving as well, you can be grasping some of the concept, so there is no issue over there. So this way I do for the first week, and I understand all the basics of system design by going through core components, scalabilities. Now we come to the second week. In the second week, the topic is data storage and management. So with this, I have to first grasp some of the concept like data modeling, DB types, indexing, partition, replication, right? And all the basic database concepts like ACID, compliance, then there is backup, recovery, all these things, right? So based on this, for the next 6 days of that second week, I went through a number of problems like distributed file system, how we do it, like how we design key value store, then how we design time series database. So this is how my second week goes on. Okay, and with this I get the concept, I get the basics of database management. Okay, then it comes the third week. In the third week, it picks the topic is about availability and reliability. So this is more about how you keep your system running. This is not a simple task. So for this also there are a lot of design decisions that goes on, and for that these are the topics which I had to cover as a concept, and based on this there are problems which helps to understand the concepts better. So like the first problem is highly available URL shortener, and the second problem is fault tolerant distributed cache. All these problems, there would be some problem that can be repeated, like, but the but these subtopics gives you idea of like going in a certain direction. So the for the same system design problem, like you will have to go into a different direction, so there will be two different problems altogether. So that is possible in this study plan, but it will make sure that your preparation is organized and you are learning one concept at a time at first to begin with it, right? And the fourth week, it is all about asynchronous and decoupled system. Here you will get some idea of event driven systems as well. And then the next topic is about real-time communication. Here you will be learning network protocols. And the sixth week talks about big data and streaming. Here you will learn event driven architecture in like very detailed manner. So here you will have I'll be studying a number of like system design problems. So yeah, this is yet to be covered by me, but this is how I'm learning it with the help of generative AI. Seventh week is very specific to SLOs and end-to-end systems, right? Eighth week is the final. Eighth week is all about interview simulation. So this is how I'm doing it. Okay, so feel free to reach out for the similar study plan. Okay, and I'll be sharing this document, or not this document, maybe a copy of this document in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, keep learning.